Hello guys, good morning, and today is another update for my skin removal. Today is the day that I have to do it, and right now I'm the reception inside the clinic. Of course it is inside the clinic. Well, anyway, I'm
10:20,
in the
right?
reception for
10:20.
formalities. Of course, they have to take my details, my insurance number before they will proceed on the procedure, because that's how it is. They have My insurance has to pay for it. So anyway, guys, now after this, they have taken me to the treatment room so they could apply some cream. So this white cream this is the anesthesia cream. So I don't feel a burning sensation, or I don't feel any pain while doing the procedure. But guess what? It wasn't working for me. It was still painful. So anyway, guys, let me show you the inside the treatment room. It is just a small one, but this is a good enough for very minor inpatient. So while I'm just waiting for my doctor to come in, and he's busy with one patient actually. Now I'm just waiting for her. So now I'm just giving you a thumbs up. That means everything is good. So now after the procedure, the doctor has prescribed me some medication for the next 3 weeks. Imagine. Hi guys, I'm back. I'm so sleepy today. Anyway, I've done my procedure. As you can see, now this is the wound now I have. I don't know if you can see it clear. So that's how it looked like. So it's totally removed, and they have done some here also, just a little tiny bits, but it was too painful for me. So it was actually painful. um it's like um it's like a needle. It's poking you with the fire. That's how it's the that's what I'm fe- that was I that's what I was feeling. And actually, they have given me anesthesia because I cannot bear the pain. It's just too much for me. So my pain tolerance is just not that great actually. Small things I feel pain, small things. So I have some here still, but I couldn't do it anymore. I asked the doctor to stop. No need from this side. I have like maybe few in this side, but I'm feeling so exhausted, and I don't have much energy left for me. It just the pain is just for me. It's just too much. So anyway, my main issue is this one only actually, this big one. Now finally it's gone. Now it was. So this is my main concern. The rest, the small ones, it can be done later. So now I am on medication for 2 weeks. It seems it will take like 2 to 3 weeks to heal this one, and I'm not allowed to wear cover clothes, so it will be like this kind of clothes. Not allowed to wear chain. That's why during the procedure they asked me to remove my chain, and basically it has to be not to be what we call this, the wound should not be covered to anything, not even the clothes. So I will be wearing like an open clothes like this for the next 3 weeks. I'm not allowed going to the swimming pool, and not allowed to use towel after a bath. So I have to use cotton just to tap. And I'm taking some medication orally, and some ointment they have given me. So I have to apply that every twice, morning and evening. And also this ointment also for my mole. My mole, it seems it's okay. So I just have to finish the medication, and then like doesn't have no need to remove my mole. So it seems it's okay now. It's getting better. So I just have to continue the remaining medication I have, and basically that's it for today, guys. I'm just so exhausted. I'm just gonna take a nap, and I hope that's all. And I hope to see you to my next one. Bye.